How to change password on DJI Mimo application. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to DJI Mimo app. Here in DJI Mimo application, go to profile on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap profile. And profile, go to settings. Here in settings, in account and security section, you can see here the change password. Okay, tap this. And now you can enter the CAPTCHA code. And after you enter the CAPTCHA code, tap the next button below. And confirmation email sent to this bitcoin.kabili@gmail.com. You receive an email and click the link button here. And you can see here the reset password. And now you can enter the password and enter the new password again and click submit. And okay guys, after you submit, you can see the successfully changed message after you click the submit button. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.